Hi everyone, myself Muzaffar Sheikh, a technical head from Universal Fire and Safety Services Limited, an ISO 9001-2000 certified company, a leading manufacturer company of firefighting equipments located at Mahape, Navi Mumbai. We are in market from last 12 years. We are registered Class A license holder of Maharashtra Fire Services. Today we are going to let you know some best services and products of Universal Fire and Safety Services. We are the manufacturer of ISMR fire extinguisher, portable and higher capacity both. We do projects, we do hydrant projects, we do sprinkler project, we do CO2 suppression, we do kitchen and fire suppression products. We provide A form and B form. We do annual maintenance contracts for all type of societies and firms. We are on a mission to raise a public awareness about fire related issues and to provide services that assist individuals in resolving these issues and staying safe. We have upcoming videos and latest updates of Universal Fire and Safety Services. Please contact us, like our channel, share our channel, follow our channel, and be a part of Universal Fire and Safety Services. Be smart, be safe.